A retractable tonneau cover is one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your truck, combining style, security, and convenience in one sleek package. Designed to protect your cargo from weather and theft while offering easy access, these covers slide open and close smoothly without the hassle of folding panels or snaps. Whether you use your truck for work or weekend adventures, the right cover makes a big difference. In this video, we'll explore the best retractable tonneau covers available. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Flowkottu Ram 1500 retractable hard tonneau cover. If you want a retractable bed cover for your Ram 1500 that blends real security, all-weather protection, and a clean, low-profile look, the Flowkottu hard tonneau cover is built for you. Its aluminum slat panel uses a standing seam design that resists prying and channels water away, while integrated seals and a drainage system help keep your cargo dry through ultraviolet, dust, rain, and even car washes. A built-in cover lock works with your tailgate for confident, permission-only access. The hardware is all aluminum, slats, dual side rails, and a compact canister with adjustable tension and drainage. When you unlock it, the cover automatically retracts into the canister along the rails so you can open or close it one-handed without dropping the tailgate. There are no snaps to fuss with, nothing bulky to roll, and no heavy tri-fold panels to lift. You'll also like how it looks and performs under load. The matte, powder-coated finish resists scratches, marks, and corrosion, and the cover sits nearly flush with the bed for a factory-clean profile. It supports up to 600 pounds of evenly distributed weight, and unlike many folding covers, it won't block your rear window view when open or compromise safe driving if accidentally released. Daily commute, job site, or weekend runs, this cover keeps your gear secure and your truck looking sharp. D at number 4, Bestwyll K22 retractable hard tonneau cover. If you want a secure, smooth operating bed cover tailored to your 5.5 feet short bed, the Bestwyll K22 retractable hard tonneau cover fits the job. It's made only for the 5.5 feet bed, not 6.5 feet or 8 feet, so confirm your bed length first to avoid costly returns. You'll get a straightforward install. Assemble the rails, set them on the bed, align, and secure the brackets. Most installs take about 30 to 60 minutes. For a faster, cleaner setup, review the installation video and manual before you start. The K22 mounts using your truck's original screw holes, delivering solid stability and a factory-clean look without extra drilling. Daily use stays effortless. Once unlocked, the cover retracts automatically into its housing. No walking around to push. Use the pull strap to close and lock, and rely on the mechanical key plus knob operation to keep your belongings secure. When you're hauling taller gear, the 3-position hover lets you stop and hold the cover at multiple points, so oversized items load easily without removing the lid. Built for tough conditions, the K22 uses sturdy aluminum slats with a durable double-coat matte black textured finish and wide rail design. An integrated water management system channels away rain, snow, and road grit. With proper installation, performance is virtually leak-proof. You get a tidy profile, dependable protection, and day-to-day convenience, every run, every season. Number 3, we have the Gator Recoil retractable truck bed tonneau cover. If you want rugged protection that fits your routine, the Gator Recoil retractable truck bed tonneau cover is a solid choice. You get durable aluminum slats finished in a matte black, textured powder coat, so daily use won't rattle it. And your truck keeps a clean, professional look. You'll also get real flexibility when you're hauling mixed loads. The recoil lets you stop and lock the cover at multiple positions along the rails so you can keep the bed partially open for taller cargo, a toolbox, or a stacked cooler without removing the cover. When you're ready to secure everything, the panel glides back smoothly and locks with your tailgate for straightforward key-based security. Installation respects your time and your truck. There's no drilling, just clamp the rails to the bed, align, and tighten. Most installs take about 30 minutes from box to bed with common hand tools so you can get back on the road fast. Choose this cover if you value toughness, versatility, and a clean, no-drill setup that doesn't compromise your truck. It helps keep gear out of sight, streamlines loading and unloading, and maintains a low-maintenance finish that stands up to everyday miles. Specs at a glance: brand, Gator, style, retractable, exterior finish, aluminum, matte textured powder coat, material, aluminum slats, lock type, tailgate. With Gator Recoil, you keep cargo protected and your workflow simple day after day. At number 2, Bestwyll BY22, Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover. If you want a clean, secure, and low-effort way to manage your truck bed, the Bestwyll BY22 Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover is made for your 5.5 feet short bed. It's precision fit for the 5.5 feet only, not the 6.5 feet or 8 feet. So you'll avoid costly returns by confirming your bed length before you buy. You get a straightforward install. Assemble the rails, set them on the bed, align, then secure the brackets. Most installs take about 30 to 60 minutes. Watch the installation video and review the manual first to save time and frustration. Because it mounts in the original factory screw holes, you gain rock-solid stability and a factory-clean look without awkward add-ons. Daily use stays effortless. Once unlocked, the aluminum cover retracts smoothly into its housing, no walking around to push. Use the pull strap to close. It auto-locks when shut and can only be unlocked by opening the tailgate, so your gear stays protected. You can choose the knob or pull cord to unlock, depending on what feels most natural. When you need flexibility, the 3-position hover lets you secure the cover partially open, so oversized items load without fighting the lid. With its durable aluminum construction and refined finish, you'll keep your bed organized, your belongings out of sight, and your truck looking sharp every day on every run. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Syneticusa MB Retractable Hard Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. If you want a tonneau cover that balances style, strength, and everyday practicality, the Syneticusa MB Retractable Hard Truck Bed Cover delivers on every level. Built with a sleek, low-profile design, it not only enhances the look of your truck, but also provides serious protection against the elements and unwanted access. Security comes first with dual locks on both sides, giving you peace of mind whether your truck is parked at home, at work, or on the move. To protect your gear from dust, dirt, and moisture, the cover is fitted with integrated seals. Once installed with drainage tubes, water is effectively channeled away, keeping your cargo clean and dry even during heavy rain. The retractable function makes daily use effortless. Slide the cover open or close smoothly to access your truck bed without hassle. Plus, its ultraviolet-resistant finish ensures long-lasting durability by preventing fading and wear from harsh sunlight. Strength is another standout feature. Made from heavy-duty aluminum, the cover can support up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight, making it reliable enough for tough jobs while doubling as a sturdy platform. If you're searching for a cover that combines convenience, rugged construction, and a modern look, the Syneticusa MB Retractable Hard Truck Bed Cover is designed to keep your cargo safe and your truck looking sharp. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which retractable tonneau cover you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.